High grade 3 Qatari syllabus. Today it will be a review on top stars grade 3 Qatari syllabus. But before I will go to make a quick review, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our review today. Today I will make a quick review on your book Top Stars grade 3 Qatari syllabus. Here we have some texts. We read it together, and in this text we have some vocab that we learned during the term. Here we say, "Hello, my name is Amr. I'm 5 years old. I'm tall." So all these the properties or the features of Omar. So here Omar introducing himself and saying, "My name is Omar. I'm 5 years old. I'm tall. I can count to 20. I can play tennis. My mother is pretty. She's tall too. She has got short hair." And I would like to say that when we use have or has, so I talk about something is belongs to me. Okay, something is I own this something, or or something is belongs to me. We use verb to have or has. Okay, we use have with what I would like to say the pronouns that take have are you, we, they take have, he, she, it take has. So when we talk about have, when we use the verb have, I talk about something is belongs to me. She has got short hair and green eyes. She can cook. She can play football. We are happy family. The text is mainly about what here? Mainly about Ali. We say here Ali. No, it's not Ali. It will be here Omar, not Ali. Omar can play tennis. As we know here, we say here, I can't play tennis. Omar's mother has green eyes. Yes, has green eyes. So let's go to another one. What can Omar mother do? Omar's mother here what do? Cook, can cook. Let's go to another text. This is my brother. His name is Hamad. He has black hair and eyes. He can ride a bike, but he can't swim. He wears a blue t-shirt, jeans, and black shoes. And black shoes, I think black shoes. I think we have here a wrong mistake. It will be here shoes written like this. So we have here a mistake here. No, wearing t-shirt, wears t-shirt and black shoes. Okay, this is correct. This is the correct of this word. His favorite toy is the computer game. Let's go to another. So here, some of you saying, Miss Iman, we have highlighted here on the some words here. We make focus or highlight it to these words. So in these words, so we ask about these words in the text. So so here make a focus or make a spot on these words to ask you about these words and what these words refers to, or what the meaning of these words. If we want to talk about the pronoun, say this pronoun refers to what, this word means what. So here we make a focus on these words to ask you about it. The text mainly is about what? So I talk about the text mainly means that the topic of this text is for what? Is for sister? No, it's not for sister. It's what? For brother. Hamad can swim. Hamad, he say he can't swim. So here it will be wrong. Hamad has black eyes, as we know here during the text. Yes, has black eyes, has black hair and black eyes. Let's go to another one. What's Hamad's favorite toy? It will be here computer game. Let's go to another text here. My name is Aisha. I have a friend. Her name is Reem. She's 8 years old. Reem has got long brown hair. So I would like to know the rule in grammar, which is when we talk about something belongs to me, like hair, like eyes, like anything that belongs to me, we say red. We say here red hair or brown hair or yellow hair or green eyes. All this something that belongs to me only, not one sharing in these things. So when we talk about this, I use verb to have. I use have. Okay, you can know this rule. Okay, Reem has got long brown hair. Her hair is straight. Her eyes are green. Reem is short and thin. She likes to play with her doll. She's good in English. It's her favorite subject. So here when we say the favorite subject for that Reem, like Reem, the favorite subject for Reem, or the Reem prefer the favorite subject, which is what? Which is which is English. We say when we talk about favorite subject, I say English, math, and so on. When we talk about favorite hobby, I say reading, swimming, and so on. When we say when we talk about when we talk about the hobbies, I say reading, collecting stamps, playing football, and so on. When we talk about sport, here I say favorite sport, I say tennis, football, and so on. Okay. When we talk about sports, I talk about sports only. When I talk about hobby, we can say sports with hobbies. Okay. But when we talk about sport, I talk about sport only. Like we say swimming, football, tennis, hockey, and so on. Okay. This is the favorite sport. Okay. When we talk about hobby, I say reading, playing football, and so on. All these can relate it to the hobbies. Okay. Let's continue the rest of our review. The text is mainly about what? Is mainly about Reem. Here is Reem. No, it will be about Aisha. This is mainly about Reem. Reem. Yes, here is Reem. Reem has blonde hair. No, it's not brown hair. It will be wrong hair. It will be here wrong brown hair, not blonde hair. It will be here wrong. Reem and Aisha are friends. Yes. Let's go to another one. What's Reem's favorite subject? It will be here English. Let's go to answer the rest of the question. Here we have it's a hotel. Which one is it? It's a hotel. This one by this one. Go cycling. This is go cycling. Firefighter. This is firefighter. Taking photo. This is taking photo. I like dolphins. This is dolphins. Let's go to another one. They are praying. Okay, the boy and his father praying. Yes, they go to mosque to pray. Okay, they go to mosque to pray. This is they are praying. Let's go to another one. Ali is planting a tree. As we know before, that plant we can use as a verb and can use as a noun. We use it as a noun. We use it planting when we cultivate or plant or make or planting the plant. Okay, we use it as a plant as we all know the plants. We can say seeds is. We can say vegetables is plants. We can say anything is plants. But when we use planting as a verb, means I do the tools of of agriculture to cultivate a plant. Okay, so here Ali is planting a tree. This one, it's 2 o'clock. Yes, it's 2 o'clock. The arrow is, or the hand of the clock refers to 2 o'clock. Be quiet. This was the man or this teacher referring to be quiet when we want the students to stop talking. He is a farmer. Yes, he is a farmer. Let's go to another one here. Firefighters. Put out fire. Yes, this is firefighters. Do you usually feed cats? Yes. I'm reading a book. Yes, I'm reading a book. He's playing basketball. Yes. What do our homework? What we do our homework after school? This one. Let's go to another one. I will leave this to answer some of them, and I will leave this to do it by yourself. Okay, because I don't want to make the video longer. Which word has the same ending as claps? It will be here bands. Which word are the same like teachers, watches? So here I talk about the ends of the end sound of the word. Here is teachers, watches. Here is smile, small. Here is peach, watch. Here is chair, champ. Let's go to another one. Here is fish, brush. Here is scary, skirt. Here is the word started by the same sound, scary and skirt. Here is skite and skit and skirt. Skit and skirt. Here is snail and snake. Here is skirt and scarf. Here is which word starts with the same plant as shop? It will be ship. Shop and ship. Okay. Let's go to another one. Here is the grammar, which is the present simple. During the lessons, we know that present simple expressing what? Action, it refers to habits, facts, and routines. Okay, and we know this tense by adding what? By adding s to the verb. The keyword of this tense, it will be usually, always, sometimes, often, and we know that the habit happened in 100%. We use always as the adverb of frequency, and when we talk about the habits that didn't happen at all, it will be never. Okay, so present simple tense, I would like to remind you with it. This tense is used to describe action, to describe three actions or three events: habits, facts, and routines. Okay, what if the routines that something is regularly happening every day? Like I wake up at 7 o'clock, I wash my face, I brush my teeth, I go, then I go to school. All these called the routine. Or the habits are like what? Like I play football on weekends. So here we say, here we talk about the habit. Or we facts, like sunrises every day. This called facts. Okay. So now we use the present simple tense in three cases: in habits, facts, and daily routines. So here we say, here is the exercise on present simple tense. We sometimes space the taxi to school. It can be tax. No, it will not tax. Taking, no. Why? Because here when we use taking, we must have am is are plus verb plus ing. This is called the present continuous tense, and this is a present simple. Can take this tense in this case. So here we say we, and as we know that we have you, we, they, you, we, they don't take us. He, she, it takes us. Take us. Okay. So here we take s or not? Do not take s, not taking s. So it would be here we sometimes takes. And I would like to say that the adverb of frequency is between the subject and what? And the verb. It's between the two words, the subject and the verb. We say we sometimes, we say we always, we usual. So here we say we sometimes take. The another one, space it in the classroom. We mustn't eat. All of us have a rules that don't eat in the classroom. We have a plate to eat your sandwich in. Okay, so here it will be we mustn't eat in the classroom. We mustn't run in the museum. They always pray on time. So we have our prayers have suitable times, and we must be obligated with this time. Okay, the times of pray is times of pray. No, you can't leave it. Okay, can pray to ask God for what we know, and the pray connect us with God. Okay, they always space on time. They always pray. We never space cycling. It would be here the expression. It would be go cycling. Let's go to another question. You must listen. So must, I would like to say that models must be followed by the infinitive form, as we know during the lesson. The models must, would, will, and will, would, can, could, shall, should. All these called models must be followed by what? By the infinitive form. So it will be here. You must listen. Hafsa stays sleeping. Is, why is? Because here we have the present continuous tense, and I would like to remind you present continuous tense. How can the formula of this tense? It will be am, is, are plus verb plus ing, and this tense used for what? For expressing action happening at the time of speaking. As we know, the keywords of this tense, it will be today, now, now, at this moment. All these called the keywords of the continuous tense. So the continuous tense, I would like to remind you with me and repeat it. In this tense, we use am, is, are plus verb plus ing. Am, is, are plus verb plus ing. Well, since now we know this. So Hafsa space sleeping. So sleeping here we have ing. So what is the suitable verb to be here? It will be here is. Why? Because is here, Hafsa here is singular, and I put is here. Are space playing tennis. It will be here or she or they. To be they. Space watching TV. It will be is he. So here I make a replacement. I replace the verb instead of what? Instead of subject. You space talk in the class. It will be you mustn't talk in the class. Let's go to another one. Here is what? Here is the punctuation. Means the word is written in the mistake way. In the mistake, we have a mistake. Punctuate, and we correct this mistake. Here, can I write I here in this way? No, it's wrong, to be wrong, right? We must write I in the capital letter or in uppercase, because when I started the sentence, I must write in uppercase or in capital letter. And I would like to say that the pronoun I is the only pronoun that's written in capital letter in any place of the sentence. Must know this, okay? So here it will be I have a big cat, and I put full stop at the end of the sentence. Here we say, are they sleeping now? So here is the question form. Can I write it as it is? No, it will be, I have a mistake here. So I replace the small r, the small a by the capital A, and I put what at the end of the sentence? I put question mark at the end of the sentence. Here we have is. Is must be written in what? In capital letter, right? This way, in this way. It will be, if we have Ali here in small letter, I must write Ali in capital letter. Why? Because the names of the places, names of person or famous places or famous places or countries must be written in capital. When we talk about the Qatar, I say Qatari, Qatar is Q in capital letter. When we talk about the United Arab Emirates, it will must be written in capital letter, because we know the United Arab Emirates is the country. Qatar is a country. Egypt is a country. Saudi, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is a country. So all this must be written in what? In capital letter, because it's famous countries, and we have because it's countries, and we have famous, and when we have a famous place, it must be written in capital letter. And the names of the person. And so here when this name is coming in small letter, I replace the capital letter by what? I replace the small letter by capital letter, like this way. In this way, it will be here. Is he watching TV? And we have question mark here. So here I replace the small letter or the lowercase by the capital letter, like this one, and I put question mark at the end of the sentence. Let's go to another item here. Here is a paragraph about the rules in the library. Okay, so here we say what is the rules that we must follow in the library. We must be quiet. In the library, we must be quiet. Mustn't eat or drink. We mustn't run. We mustn't shout. Okay, here we talk about. Here is another paragraph about what you and your family doing, about the course or the tasks that you and your family doing. This is my sister Hafsa. She's a smart girl. She is painting. She likes hit parrot. So he likes likes hair parrot. Sorry, not hit to be here. Hair parrot. Likes hair parrot. We have a mistake here. This is a mistake. To be here hair parrot. So here is, this is my sister Hafsa. She's a smart girl. She's painting. She's painting. She likes hair parrot. Okay. By this item, we end from our review today. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video. Don't forget to make share, like to our video, to sharing for a lot, to benefit from it. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.